Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And in today's video, this is the part 2 of the protein. The part where we have discussed basic things about the protein, like how we have what is protein and how it is found and all that, how and what is the location and all that. If you haven't checked out that overview video of protein, that is very basic to get the concept of protein, so you can check that out from my channel. And today's video we have got the second part. That part we have discussed this thing. Okay, in that part we have discussed this, and that this is the basic structure of amino acid. Amino acids are the monomers of the proteins, and the amino acids have got this structure, and the R, the radical group, has got uh, around 20 types in the body, and we will be discussing about those radicals in today's video basically. So here it is, like amino acids. Here's a variety of 19. Maybe one is written, but all of them are approximately covered. Even though I would prefer you to learn all if you can, but as being a college student right now, for me these all are important. So I would just take out the most important ones and talk about that. So there is a variety shown to you guys, like that is glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine. uh, yeah, just a variety. Like we've got serine, cytosine, tyrosine, lysine. But the most important, I do uh, have looked into papers, past papers. The most important amino acid groups or the radicals are the one glycine, one to alanine, and this is also important, but that is 50-50 ratio valine. And we have got serine. Valine question comes, but the valine question comes in different way. They do not ask structures, they ask something else. We will be talking about uh, how valine questions are made in our upcoming videos as well. So uh, these the glycine, alanine and serines are the one which are asked direct questions. We do get direct questions on the structures many times. Like they may ask like uh, glycine has radical option A OH, option B H, option C CH3, option 4 none of these. So these are type of questions are coming from glycine, alanine and serine. So let's look into each of the structures. Basically, first of all, let me draw a alanine. Alanine. So we have discussed that alanine is a radical, that is very common radical, that is equal to H, and alanine is the one which is having radical H, right? Alanine is the one which is having the radical, sorry, I just missed it out. uh, alanine is the one which is having the radical CH3. Wait. Yes, we've got CH3. CH3. I would just move it up, like first of all we need to start with the hydrogen one to make it more clear. First of all, we have got the glycine. Glycine has got the radical H, right? We've got H as radical of the glycine. And I've talked about the basic structure of amino acid. So amino acid is like kind of this. We have got a central carbon, then we have got the hydrogen up attached over here, then we have got NH2 over here on this side, and one side we have got uh, C double bond OH, uh, like this, C double OH, and on one side we have got the radical group, that is radical, that is equal to H in alanine. This is alanine. Simply the radical is replaced by the hydrogen and the glycine forms. I'm just repeating alanine because I have just studied that. So I'm sorry for that. This is glycine. Glycine is the hydrogen radical amino acid. The next we have got number 2, that is alanine. Now let's get to alanine, which I'm just talking about. So that is alanine, and alanine is the one which is consisting of alanine is the one which is consisting of, wait a minute, yes, alanine is the one which is consisting of the methyl group CH3, right? Now let's look into its structure. All the basic structure is same. We got hydrogen up attached to the central carbon. We've got COOH one side, COOH. Then we've got NH2 on one side, and just the radical gets replaced uh, by the radical of the alanine, that is CH3, or the methyl group CHH3, right? Let's move forward for the last ones, or maybe that is your homework to find out the serine one. I will just tell you that in serine we have got the radical, that is the CH2OH, that is the hydroxy methyl group CH2OH. In this chart you are also saying CH2OH. This radical, this is your homework. Do find out the simple structure, make the basic diagram, replace the radical with this, and this is how the radicals are formed. In the next video talking about the amino acid. When amino acid combine together, they form polypeptide chains or dipeptide chains, so oligopeptide chains. So we'll be discussing the bond that is formed, the peptide bond formation in detail, about the proteins, and we'll meet you guys in the next video in the part 3 of proteins. Goodbye.